nagpapasalamat tayo sa ating dakilang Ama. Sa pamamagitan po ng ating pinakamamahal na pastor, pinapasalamatan natin ang lahat ng mga nangyayari na ito. Alam naman natin na God is always in control. At sa lahat po ng ating mga kaibigan na sumusuporta sa atin, kung merong panaginip si Master Judea, itong nangyayari na ngayon at kayo po nakasama namin dito, napanaginipan na rin po ito ng ating pinakamamahal na pastor. Darating ang araw na ito at kayo na rin po ang magiging tagapagsalita, magiging boses din, no? Dahil alam naman natin, si pastor ngayon hindi na po namin kasama, pero meron din talagang gagamitin ng Ama na magiging instrumento. Pero ang aming pananalig, hindi po nawawala sa ating dakilang Ama. Because the kingdom of heaven suffereth violence, and the violent taketh it by force. We are here as kingdom citizens, and we will be standing strong, because we know that the kingdom now is under attack by the evil forces. But we rest our case to the Almighty Father because alam namin that He will always be there and He is always in control. Kaya nagpapasalamat kami sa dakilang Ama sa lahat po ng mga nangyayari. Siya ang nagbibigay sa amin ng kalakasan, siya ang nagbibigay sa amin ng tibay talaga. Hindi amin itong kalakasan na to. At kung kami lang, sabi nga ni Boss Dada, hindi talaga din namin kaya. Pero nanggagaling ang aming kalakasan, ang aming kagalakan sa ating dakilang Ama na siyang may likha ng lahat at alam namin na our God is able. And so we are just so thankful to the Almighty Father for such a time like this. He has always sustained us and He is always with us. So sa lahat po ng mga kingdom citizens, sa lahat ng mga Kingdom Miracle members, sa lahat ng mga kingdom full-time miracle workers dito sa Central Compound, sa Davao City, lalo na sa Prayer Mountain, sa Glory Mountain, sa lahat ng sacred compound, alam natin na palagi ang proteksyon ng ating dakilang Ama ay nakabalot sa bawat isa sa atin at maging sa lahat po ng kingdom citizens all over the world, sa buong Pilipinas at sa buong mundo. Patuloy po tayo sa ating pakikibaka dahil alam naman natin that this war, the battle is not ours, it's the Lord's. That's why we're so thankful and we know that the victory is ours. At bago na naman tayo muli matapos sa gabing ito, muli kong babasahin at bigyan na namang daan ang prophecy ng isang prophetess from the Middle East, the prophecy of Aliyar. And we know, in the almost 40 years that we've been in this kingdom ministry, lahat po na nakikita natin, lahat po nagaganap. These are dreams and revelations given by the Father through the Son. At wala pang revelation, wala pang prophecy na hindi natutupad. And it all will come to pass. And this is a prophecy from Aliyar, a kingdom prophetess from the Middle East. Thus saith the Lord, the angel of judgment shall come upon you, Ferdinand Marcos Jr., Liza Araneta Marcos, Martin Romualdez, Benhur Abalos, Risa Hontiveros. For you have oppressed and afflicted God's appointed, Apollo Kibuloy. For the one who touches him touches the apple of God's eye. That's in Zechariah 2:8. And as you have grieved the Son of God, you shall be plagued with a deadly disease, a crippling condition, a formidable disorder that even your nearest and dearest ones shall suffer terribly. It will be a dreadful curse, so devastating that existence itself becomes a burden. Thus it is written, of how much sorer punishment suppose ye shall he be thought worthy, who hath trodden under foot the Son of God, and hath counted the blood of the covenant wherewith he was sanctified an unholy thing, and hath done despite unto the Spirit of grace. Hebrews 10:29. Apollo, vengeance is within the dominion of divine justice. In due time, the disaster of your enemies shall come. Their doom shall be ultimate. Your adversary shall be no more. It will not tarry. It shall happen without delay. And we are so thankful, the Almighty Father, always and every day. We raise our hearts, our hands, our lives to the Almighty Father as we surrender everything to His perfect will, that whatever comes, alam namin, nandito kami sa sentro ng kalooban ng ating dakilang Ama. Hindi man namin kasama physically si Pastor, ilang buwan na kaming ganito, pero hindi po kami talaga, we will never be moved. And we're just so thankful for the strength, the protection, and the victory that the Almighty Father through His Son will give to us.